Hello and welcome to the Dogface Development Co. Erin Hunter Book Chooser Public Archive project on GitHub. And what this program does is it'll choose your favorite Erin Hunter authored book series based on your favorite of these animals, dogs, cats, or bears. It's an app that's been written proudly in Python 3. Now this is a public archive. This is an older app, very basic principles, and so it has no longer being updated. Now, with the Erin Hunter Book Chooser app, you can sponsor it on GitHub by clicking the sponsor button here. You can also watch the repository to be updated on any new updates, if there were going to be any. You can fork the repository to create your own copy of it. Otherwise, you can star the repository in order to save it for later. Now, currently, it's on release version 3.5, which was released in 2016. As there's no longer any development going on, there's no more new releases being planned. It's built 100% with Python, as was alluded to before. So the Erin Hunter Book Chooser, here you can see the repository README by scrolling down on the page, and it can be installed with Windows by downloading the Python module and then extracting the files from the GitHub downloader. Basically what you're going to do is it's going to open up a basic Tinker window, and you can select cats, bears, dogs, lions, elephants, or baboons, press choose, and you'll select the book series based on what kind of animal you have selected. There's a basic results table here in case you don't want to use the app and would just rather use the results table. And as you can see here, it'll show the result in this little box. And it is licensed under the GNU General Public License version 3.0. Now we'll scroll back up the page to our main file, our main window here, Erin Hunter Book Chooser main window.py. Basically, we will see exactly what the program does. So it's going to import Tinker as itself, so that way it can create a GUI window. Let's say it's going to have the favicon, which is a dog's paw, and I'll say Erin Hunter Book Chooser. Then it'll say in some text, welcome to the Erin Hunter Book Chooser. Please select your favorite animal below, and the app will select your favorite authored Erin Hunter book. With that, then it'll create 6 radio buttons, the options of warriors, seekers, survivors, bravelands, and bravelands for the last 3. Now those are the results that you would get, whether if you selected cats, bears, dogs, lions, elephants, or baboons. And what it'll do is it'll make the dialog box appear by creating a dialog function, and then it'll pack each of these buttons into a window. Now what I'll do is I'll open this code in our preferred editor of choice, Visual Studio Code, and then we can see the program actually running on its own. And so we can scroll through, see everything is the same as it was on the GitHub page, and so we will press F5 and select it as a Python file, and this will start up our interactive command prompt so we can see the GUI window in the program itself. Now it's running the command here for launching it, and then the screen will turn orange and it will launch the actual program itself. There we go. So basically it asks, welcome to the Erin Hunter Book Chooser. Please select your favorite animal below, and the app will select your favorite Erin Hunter authored book. You can visit the website link displayed to learn more afterwards. So we'll go through, we'll start with going through cats. We press choose, and it says your Erin Hunter book selection is Warriors by Erin Hunter. Also shows the website link, so that way you can visit that page to access more information. Say OK, sends us back to the main page so we can try again. This time we'll try bears. Choosing, we go to see the Erin Hunter Book Chooser selection is Seekers by Erin Hunter. Now it's sent us to the Seekers link. Press OK again, and we'll move over to dogs. And your Erin Hunter book selection is Survivors by Erin Hunter. Visit survivorsdogs.com for more information. Personally, this is my favorite series, and it was a favorite series of mine since I was a child. This time click the X button to see that it does the same as the OK button. Now lions, we will try. So your Erin Hunter book selection is Bravelands by Erin Hunter. Visit warriorcats.com/bravelands for more information. So this is another series that has been added, Bravelands by Erin Hunter, and there's a website link as well. Now we'll close it and we'll try elephants. Oh, look at that, we got Bravelands as well. So clearly Bravelands tries over 3 different types of animals instead of just one like the other series do. And finally baboons. And this one is also in Bravelands. So these 3 animals, lions, elephants, and baboons, are all in the Bravelands series. If you want to learn more about Bravelands, you can visit warriorcats.com/bravelands. So as you can see, this was a very, very basic program where all it did was take in some inputs through a radio button and send those out as dialog boxes. Very basic for learning Tinker or anything like that. Now, if you want to mess around with the program, feel free to fork the repository on GitHub or download it.